What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Shy Guy as Jason from Friday the 13th. Let's get started in the center page with the left eye. We're going to start at the very top and we're going to draw a large oval. Come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye. And then back up towards the top. Now I want to make it look like the character is looking over towards the right. So we're going to line at the top, over on the right side. I'm going to draw a smaller oval. Come down and in. Go all the way around. And then up towards the top. And I want to add a thick edge over on the right side. Let's start from the top of the oval, come all the way around towards the bottom, and blend that in. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now along the inside edge of the right eye, we're going to step down and draw a small oval for the mouth. All the way around, and then up, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I want to draw a larger oval for the head going around the eyes and mouth, but we're going to leave a gap along the top center. Let's start right in the middle, go all the way around the head, around the left eye. Just pull that in toward the middle. Let's go all the way across the right side. Just going to hug this right side of the eye and go up toward the top. Now I'm going to add a notch. I'm going to come down from the left and then back up. Let's add a thick edge. We're going to come straight in and angle this back down. Let's add those markings inside the mask. We're going to start right in the middle. We're going to come down and then up. Go back to the left side. We're going to go across towards a point and then up towards the right. Let's add two marks across the bottom of the eye. Come down with an angled line. Let's flatten off the ends. And then angle this back up towards the top. Now I'm going to add those holes across the top of the mask. Let's start on top of the left eye with a circle and fill that in black. And the same thing on the right. And I add two more along the inside. Let's add a couple spots along the outside. Move up and draw that again. Now along the side of the mouth, we're going to add two more. One on the left and right. Move down and draw that again. Now that we complete the mask, let's move over towards the left side and draw on that strap. We're going to start from the top, then it's out and then down. Round up the side. And I want to follow that same curve across the bottom. Let's go to the top of the strap on the outside, draw a straight line going up. Now I'm going to add a fold. Come down and then out. Draw the top of the head going up. And we'll just bend that down on top of the mask. Let's line up the side of the head underneath that strap, draw a short line coming down towards the arm. Now I'm going to layer the arm on top. So we're going to step in, then the arm going out, and then down. Round out the arm, come in, and then up. Now let's line up with the mouth coming down towards the center of the body. We're going to draw an oval for the belt buckle. All the way around, and then back up. And then we'll go underneath the arm on the left, curve the belt coming down and in towards the bottom edge of that oval. Let's continue on the right side, going out, and then up. Let's bend the side of the body, going up and then in. Now I'm going to go back and draw the top edge of the belt. Just follow that same curve on both sides. Now over on the right side, we're going to leave a gap for the arm. Let's start with the axe. We're going to start with the handle on the inside. We're going to come straight down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the handle. And I come up about halfway to right about here. I'm just going to fold the edge of the hand on top. So we're going to step in, then it's in, and then out. Let's continue this line going up towards the top of the axe. Now from the inside, we're going to step in, curve across and then down. From the inside, go straight up. And we want to curve in the opposite direction, going out and then up towards the edge of the blade, and then round the outside. Just add a seam across the edge of the blade. Now let's draw on the back side of the arm. We're going to start from the side of the mask, go up in behind the handle. Now on the outside on the right, we're just going to round up the hand, just bend that back in, curve the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Let's go back and round out the hips, starting from the left side, going around and then in. Same thing on the right. And we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Now I want to tuck the feet in underneath the body. I'm going to start over on the left. Bend the foot going out toward the left, come across the bottom, and then up underneath the body. Now let's take that foot and flip it over on the right. So we're going to start from the bottom on the inside, go all the way around, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Shy Guy as Jason from Friday the 13th. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.